This shoehorn was made from recycling scrap material generated drawing molding. And actually, there is an engraved mark hidden right here. With a conventional insert manufacturing, block cutting and chemical processing were required, taking a lot of time and effort. For this project, we produced the engraving insert using LUMEX. Since LUMEX performs both building and milling in a single machine, we leverage the as-built surface of the letters while finishing only the top with milling. The hybrid process combining metal 3D printing and CNC machining allows for high precision results in a short time. What's more, LUMEX can measure the positioning of a workpiece on the table using its spindle. This enables precise positioning for additive build-up directly on the insert. This is only possible because LUMEX integrates both the laser and machining coordinate systems. If it were laser only, determining the origin would be much more difficult. Once you tap the start button, both the building and milling processes are completed in a single setup. Here, you can see the injection molding process using this engraving insert. Interestingly, the idea for this engraving insert came from our customer request. We want to add text on a curved surface. They reached out to us wondering, could LUMEX handle this? And the answer was yes. This hybrid technology, combining building and milling, is sure to benefit your manufacturing as well. If you've ever wondered, could something like this be possible? We encourage you to reach out and consult with us.